An AMD Ryzen 3200G processor provides the solid platform required for a modern gaming PC, with quad-core technology for improved performance. Also included is a 240GB solid-state drive, meaning your new PC will boot to Windows in seconds, open programs faster and be more responsive. Finally, it includes a 1TB hard drive, providing enough storage space for even the largest library of games. Everything from delivery speed to the computer itself to customer service has been absolutely excellent. We were left scratching our heads at not being able to connect it to Wi-Fi, but once we called them for advice, everything was figured out. We bought this as a family computer, so it needed to have a good sized memory, be fast, support my graphics programs and be able to play basic level games such as The Sims 4, Assassin's Creed, Fortnite, Minecraft or GTA V, etc., while also having room for homework. This does all of that without creating any performance problems.